this is Mrs. Cundy. I just wanted to show you a quick activity that I made for your child to do maybe over the weekend or over Thanksgiving break sometime. It's a great way to reinforce some of the things we've been working on in group and keep practicing. So each child will get their own. So this group is on lesson 21, but I made different ones for all the groups. And the first activity is our spinner game. So there's 3 different spinners, so they're going to spin each one. So the first one is going to be for the beginning sound. So they hit the pause button whenever they want the spinner to stop. So it looks like we got an N for the first one. So on a piece of paper on their whiteboard, they were to write an N first, and you can remind them what N says. And then you're going to hop over to the second spinner and do the same thing. Remember, they can hit pause whenever they want. Well, it looks like we landed on the U. So, So, and then they're going to do the last spinner for the last sound. And we got And we would say, that's not a real word. So it's kind of fun for them to figure out, is it a word? Is it not a word? Regardless, the point of it is for them to practice blending the sounds together. So it doesn't matter if it's a real word or not. So you can keep doing that as many times as you want. That's a fun activity for them. And then I put some slides for them to sound out the words as well. So what we've been doing is we try to do like a roller coaster where you keep the sounds going. So fat, ran. So these are just examples of the words that we've done. And again, I'm only using the sounds that I've taught them so far to keep it kind of simple. So there's a lot of those. And then I also have a letter tiles. On this one, you can practice building words with all of the sounds that we've learned. So in lesson 21, these are all the sounds that we've worked on so far. So they can try to build words using these letters. This would be a fun activity for you to do with them as well. If you just take a look at the letters that you have and you could say, okay, can you build ran? And so they would have to do you can use some of the words that I put in the previous slides for examples as well. And then the bottom section are the sight words. So we learn at least one sight word per lesson. So these are all of the sight words that we have done already in lesson 21. So you can kind of use those as flashcards. The more they practice, the more comfortable they get with them. I hope you have fun, and let me know if you have any questions. Happy Thanksgiving.